Dear students, today we will learn addition and subtraction of decimal fractions. For example, add 12.27, 13.09 and 15.87. First we have to write the numbers in column form. 12.27, 13.09, 15.87. Here decimal points should come in one column. You should remember the same number of digits after the decimal point in each number. If required, put the zeros at the extreme right of the decimal point, as it does not change the value of the number. So next we have to add 7, 9 and 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. So I will write 3 here and 2 carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. So I will write 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Each number consists 2 decimal places. So we have to put decimal point after the 2 digits from left. So the answer is 41.23. Let's learn how to subtract decimal fractions. Here, second example, subtract 189.76 from 500. So first we have to write the numbers in column form. 500. Here decimal places are not there, so we have to put zeros at the extreme right of the decimal point. Minus 189.76. 0 minus 6 is possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 0. So we can't borrow. So we go for a next number. Next number also 0. So we go for a next number. Next number also 0. So we go for a next number. Next number is 5. If you borrow from 5, then 5 becomes 4 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. Now we can borrow from 10. 10 becomes 9 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So the answer is 310.24. Let's learn third example. Simplify 14.8 minus 75.72 plus 80 minus 5.25 275. Here first we have to arrange positive sign numbers one side and negative sign numbers one side. 14.8 plus 80 minus 75.72 minus 5.275. Here three steps are possible. In first step we have to add 14.8 and 80. Zero plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 0 is 8, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 8 is 9. So the answer is 94.80. Next we have to write remaining numbers as it is. Minus 75.72 minus 5.275. Next we have to subtract 75.72 from 94.80. In second step, (94.80) minus 75.72. 0 minus 2 is possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow from 8. Then 8 becomes 7 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next 4 minus 5 is possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow from 9. Then 9 becomes 8 and here 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 8 minus 7 is 1. The answer is 19.08. Next we have to write remaining number as it is, minus 5.275. In third step we have to subtract 5.275 from 19.08. Minus 5.275. 0 minus 5 is possible to subtract? No. So we have to borrow from next number. Your next number is 8. If you borrow from 8, then 8 becomes 7 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 7 is 0. Next, 0 minus 2 is possible to subtract? No. We have to borrow from next number. Here next number is 9. If you borrow from 9, then 9 becomes 8 and here 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is how much? 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. And write 1 as it is. So the answer is 13.805. Today's homework: solve exercise 10B in that 1 to 11 in your maths notes.